This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jessica Eckhart. Step into history with modern ease in downtown Loudon, Tennessee. This beautifully restored 125-year-old home offers the charm of yesteryear with the comfort and reliability of today. Featuring 3 bedrooms and 2.5 updated bath across nearly 2,000 square feet, this home features brand new electrical, plumbing, and flooring throughout. The foundation has been professionally lifted and carries a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The kitchen is a true standout with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and custom soft close cabinetry. Bathrooms feature updated tilework, and modern lighting accents every room. Even the landscaping has been refreshed, providing a polished curb appeal. Enjoy the convenience of being just steps away from downtown shops, boutiques, restaurants, and riverfront charm, plus your only 10-minute drive from the interstate and a quick 25-minute drive to West Knoxville. Experience the perfect blend of historic character and contemporary living, right in the heart of Loudon. For more information,